In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a fixed overlay and add a form in Framer. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your project using these tools. Firstly, open Framer on your computer and you'll be greeted with your workspace. Now, let's get started by selecting the frame you want to work on. Once you have chosen your frame, turn your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find several options. Here, locate the Overlays section. You're going to click on that next. Within the Overlays menu, you'll notice an option labeled Fixed. The purpose of this function is to keep your overlay consistent, serving as a backdrop that remains unchanged as other elements might move or shift. Selecting Fixed will activate a black overlay by default over your selected frame. Don't worry about being locked into black, it's just a starting point. You have the freedom to customize and change its color according to your project's theme. Simply click on the color option and a palette will appear, offering you a range of colors to choose from. Feel free to explore until you find the perfect shade that matches your vision. Now, let's talk about the Z index. This feature allows you to manage the hierarchy or layering position of your overlay. By increasing the Z index, your overlay will remain on top of other elements in your frame. This ensures it stays visible and doesn't get buried beneath new components or designs you might add later. Adjust it based on your needs to create the desired visual effect. Having set up your overlay, let's move over to the left side of the screen. Here's where you'll be adding new elements to your design. Look for the Insert button and give it a click. This action will reveal a variety of elements you can introduce into your frame. Given we want to implement a form today, hover over to the Forms section. Once you find the Form option, click and drag it over to your frame, dropping it into place wherever you see fit. The form can be adjusted and customized, allowing you to modify fields according to the specific information you aim to gather from your users. Now that you've installed both the overlay and the form within your frame, ensuring everything looks just right, it's time to share your creation with the world. Look towards the top of the screen and find the Publish button. By clicking Publish, you'll make your project live and ready for others to interact with. This step is simple yet crucial for showcasing the functionality and design you've put together. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a fixed overlay and added a form in Framer. By following these steps, you can now create dynamic, interactive designs that are both functional and visually appealing. Happy designing!